great learning. If this trade actually plays out, it's gonna be a great learning experience for everyone on this call, right? Just how yesterday was a great learning experience with NASDAQ, we talked about that 12 a.m. open price, talked about the stop run, the wick doing the stop run. It ended up playing out, so this was probably a very great learning experience for all you yesterday. And I even had some of you guys tell me, like, oh, that was actually a good learning experience. Like, I know, when it actually plays out with the shit that I say, it really sticks. And if it doesn't, like, naturally people just tend to just be like, oh fuck, whatever Bill said, whatever, and now they just end up finding a new strategy and just scratching what I really preach every day. They just end up scratching that off when it's like literally sauce what I give out. It's just not all the time it'll play out like that, but the hit rate on what I do is extremely high hit rate on what I do. You'll find so much consistency in this. Look, it's right back inside that 1 minute gap. Now I want to see this respect. This is what I want to see. It's what I wanted to see, right? I want to see it respect that 1 minute gap. It's in there right now. It is in there. Right? I do want to see that respect in that 1 minute gap, and then now have a pretty hard reaction off of it. Right. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Come on, keep dropping, come on. See that 1 minute gap that I just hit? It just took out this wick as liquidity, filled in some inefficiencies in price. We have that March volume and bounce right here. Come on, I want to see this drop. Come on, motherfucker. Let's go, US 30. It's in there. It's in that 1 minute gap. I already respected it. Already gave that. It already lingered for a few seconds for you to enter. So this was not something quick where you couldn't enter on. It's obviously something you could have entered on. Like, we just literally saw that with me right now, right? Because, I hear a lot of excuses from you guys saying, it didn't give me enough time to enter the trade. Like, I just be like, you're capping. I have the whole call recorded. You're capping. You just end up making excuses. When you don't get in a trade, you miss a trade or something. You can just tell yourself all the excuses you want in the book. Right? And I really urge you guys to record your own. Like I said, it's been helping me so much. Me recording my own trades and watching it back. It's been helping me so much. Maybe it'll help you too. Because maybe it'll help you see that. Alright, did this trade even give me enough time to enter? Give me enough thinking for me to even think to get in this trade? If you rewatch your recordings, that thing will help you overcome that. Oh man, I really think that 10 o'clock is what's gonna really move the market. I think it's gonna be 10 o'clock news today, because I see it, like, now that I already see that drop at 9:30. Already moved. Like, it did move already, right? Like, it did move. How many pips? Ah, fuck. What did I just do? Ah, what the fuck? Okay. It did move, Like, it did move right at 9:30, right? Fuck, what is going on? Okay. Right, it did move at 9:30, right? It did move like 70 pips. Oh, look at this. Oh, shit. Look at this trade right now. Oh, shit. Come on, keep that rhythm. Keep that rhythm, US 30. Stop playing. Give me that fucking rhythm. Keep dropping. Make this Friday great. Make this Friday great already. Even on a 5-minute chart, I'm liking it. 5-minute gap. Another leg up there wouldn't even scare me. Like, I'm telling you guys things that won't scare me in the charts. And this is something. I want to see another push up in there. Because you know why? Now I think, alright, late traders sell here, put this SL right here at this wick, and just run them out real quick. Right? I have 420 SL, I have my SL right over here. So if it stops me, I'm just let that shit happen, I just like the fact that I'm risk free on this trade, and I'm just like really, literally like yesterday, how I was trading yesterday, you know. So yeah, I want to see this thing really fucking tank already. It keeps playing. Another push up right here is something I am fine with seeing. Like, it is something I probably will see anyway, right? Another push up in there. Complete fill. You know how Nas did that complete fill on that gap? Let's go ahead and go over Nas real quick. Right. Let's go over and look at Nas real quick. You see that scenario? Like that. That's probably what's gonna happen right here. Right? Anyone that just hopped on this call, we already got in this US 30 sell. I got in at 416. The market price right now is at 404. You do whatever you want with that information I just told you, right? Market price right now is 400. I got in at 416. Oh my god, look at this drop. I got in at 416. This is what I'm doing right now. Do whatever the hell you want with that information, right? I am in this trade, guys, right? We continue to hold this trade. Look at that sniper that we just called out literally right now, right? 9:41. It's already pricing in. 10 o'clock is approaching. I'm getting high, guys. I am getting high as fuck right now. Come on, you just gotta keep that rhythm. Just gotta keep that rhythm and drop, yo. That's it. And I'm literally lit. I'm gonna make like $2,000 on this call if this fucking thing just fucking tanks already. And stops fucking playing, right? It needs to stop fucking playing and fucking drop already, because it's better fucking drop. That's all I'm gonna say, guys. It better fucking drop. It better fucking drop. I swear to God, it better fucking drop. Because it literally did what I said. I got in right over here, 1 minute gap. It came inside that 1 minute gap. 10 o'clock news is about to hit in the 13 minutes. It better fucking drop. Look at this drop. Look at this. This is getting me excited already. Come on. Come on, we need to see the real move to the downside. This is not the real move. Most traders will close this 20 pip move out and think that, alright, I can just make up a little bit of my lost 30 pips. That's not a real trade. That is not a real trade, guys. Either go by the pip count or go by the lower high being broken. Or go by the how much money you're up. Because sometimes you can put a fat 30 lot in and you're already up like $1,000. Like, some people already could be up $1,000 and just be satisfied. Oh my god, you see, look at this trade, look at this trade, look at this trade, look at this shit, look at this fucking drop, look at this fucking sniper. What? Look at this shit. What's up? What's up? What's up? I bet some of you guys didn't even get in that trade, right? Right? This is exactly what I fucking mean, guys. This is exactly what I mean. You know what? I'm not even gonna call out nobody's name. Show me someone who actually held this expansion of this move right now. Show me. I told you guys, I can be on this call and say all day, I am still in this trade. I held this trade. I can be on that all day, but you guys probably still didn't even get in the trade. You know what I mean? This is what makes trading individual, guys. Look at this drop. I'm already up $1,000. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I'm up $1,000 right now. Like, what? Okay, Bums, I see you held that trade. I've got break even, and see, right now it's very optimal to put your stop loss at break even right now. Good stuff, good stuff. You got in at 400. You should have been, you're selling. You should have stacked when this happened. You see, guys, this is when you get to a certain level and you get experience. This is literally what I mean. You can just put in. You saw how confident I was in that trade. You literally put in 30 lots right here and just fucking make hella bread quick. 30 lots. You would have been up $2,100 right now. Right now, you would have been up $2,100 if you put in 30 lots. Literally, the example that I just gave you guys. If you guys see a clean setup, just put in that 30 lots. It's so clean. Just do it. Just do it. Oh my God. I'm at $1,400 on this call right now. $1,500 right now on this call. Yeah, I think I'm capping. You guys can see my entry. Oh my God. Look at this fucking thing. Oh man. Look. 10 o'clock news. You see, I don't even got to trade 10 o'clock news. You know, you guys could stress and try to trade 10 o'clock. I don't give a fuck. I made bands right now. You know what I'm saying? I just closed off half right now. I'm about to close out another half right now. Come on, guys. These calls are amazing. Come on, guys. These calls are fucking lit. Don't even try to say this is a demo account right now, because I was literally signing to my shit right now. Just how I did it yesterday. Don't even try me. Don't even try me, yo. Close that trade. Not even close everything out though. I didn't close everything out. The timing on my shit is always on point. That's all I'm going to tell you guys. Do whatever you guys want with that information. My timing just be on point, guys. That's it. You know, look, I closed that trade up $1,100. I'm still continuing to hold a portion now. Now I'm like, yo, I have risk-free trade. Look at my blue ass phone, by the way. This is a risk-free trade. I don't need to take on no risk. I just put in break even right now. I got in at this price. I'm gonna put in break even now. Bam. You see what I mean? This is what I mean. You see a confident trade like that, you could just literally make $2,000 to $3,000 on a fucking 200, 300K account. Doesn't matter. My drawdown is not even crazy like that. My drawdown is literally not. Look at the timing of my shit. Come on now. Like, my drawdown literally do not be crazy at all. That's what I'm saying, though. Some people, like someone like Akash, I don't know if Akash is on here. He literally joined me 3-4 months ago. This guy is making 30, 40K withdrawals from prop firms. Akash. You know? And he's been doing this. And he's been seeing fire. You know what he's been doing? He's been seeing fire setups like this, and he just fucking goes crazy with it. Because he knows it's probably going to be most likely be a sniper. It's going to probably play out anyway. It's not even going to be enough risk, and he knows he can make that money in a few minutes. And I know that as well. Right? Like, I literally made $1,100, and I have the partial I'm still holding, you know? You see, guys? Like, there's some people who didn't even get in this trade. Like, all 60 of you guys would have texted me right now if you guys got in that trade. You guys wasn't confident. No matter what I say, you guys wouldn't even get in the trade. Which is kind of like, come on, yo. Like, come on. Like, I don't even feel like charging you guys for this mentorship. Because the fact that some of you guys don't even get in this trade, I'm like, I don't even know if I want to even charge you guys when your 3 months expires. Because it's like, what were you even doing when you was on these calls? And then like, I just feel bad, you know? Like, I'll literally call out someone right now. Ronald, I haven't said shit to you. I don't even care that you've been here past 3 months. You just suck, man. Like, I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to tell you, bro. I try to do everything on the call. Just learn, man. You see, like, look at my timing of my shit. Like, oh my God. You see, every retail trader sells right there. You see, as I'm talking, I'm like, oh, you know, all these other traders didn't get in this trade. And then some of you guys get mad. You know what? I'm just going to sell right here, Bill. Fuck you. Sell right there. Then it just fucking goes and draw down. Oh, shit. And also, let's observe what happened. 12 o'clock a.m. This is why it's reversing right now, guys. 12 o'clock a.m. open price. This is a strategy I always teach. 12 o'clock a.m. open price, red line. Do I care that it hit this and it's going up right now? I really don't, because I just profited X amount of money. You know, I just made 100 pips. I literally caught 100 pips. I don't care. Now I really don't care what happens later on in the day. I could be done trading for the entire day if I want. And I probably am. This is probably going to be the only setup I actually take, honestly. I'm still holding this trade at break even right now. It just has to, in the next 7 minutes we have that red folder news. I could either risk the profits that I made, or I could just be done and be happy with the profits I made on a Friday. You know, so, no, trading is just an individual thing, you know. It's always going to be individual at the end of the day, because some of you guys not satisfied with this move or got in at a weird price. Some of you guys ended up continuing holding without taking off a partial when it already moved so much, and it's at another key level. Look, 12 a.m. open price and a barn bounce already at a key level, you know. And those of you guys don't know, you know, I love using that 12 o'clock a.m. open price red line. You get an indicator. Indicator's called, let me see if anyone joined the call. Get an indicator called Forex Midnight Open. Just go right here, type in Forex Midnight Open. Just use this indicator right here. This is easily going to mark off 12 o'clock a.m. open price for you. Right? You see this faint blue line running at 12 a.m. open price for you. Right? You see, now it's like, you know, other traders, they would take on more risk right here when they could just have this break even and let it rock. Because now you do not know if this 12 o'clock a.m. open price is going to get respect and to fly to the upside. Instead of taking that risk of that uncertainty, because we have news in the next 6 minutes, right? You could just hold that same existing break-even trade and just let it really shine, really let it really drop, without taking more risk. Because look, you would try to sell, like you would try to sell right here in this gap right here, but the real trade already played out. The profitable trade where you could have made $2,000 to $3,000 right here is already done if you think about it. You know, like there's a lot of other traders that profited and shit. We're not the only ones trading the market, you know, like there's other hedge funds who profited off this big move right here, this 100 pip move, and made like $10,000 $20,000 on this. And now they already took profit. And you see now they're gonna chop other traders getting in again. This is why break even is so optimal. And just let the break even get hit no matter what, just let that break even get hit. So let's kind of review top of our head what happened this week. Monday, we hit on Monday. Tuesday was clearly an L on Tuesday, right? We hit an L on Tuesday? Let me just look at the chart and I'll know. I felt like I got cheated out on Tuesday because it literally hit my SL and went my way. So that's what happened on Tuesday. And guys, every week I will review what happened, even if it's an L or loss. Right? No matter what, I always review what we did and what happened. Right? Tuesday was an L. Wednesday, Wednesday, I made money on before the call, but on the call itself, I didn't get no sell, so we didn't really, like, Wednesday wasn't a good day either, right? In terms of the call, right? In terms of the call, it wasn't a good call because I didn't call the sell. I should have called out the sell, but we was trying to get into the buy, and you guys know what happened after that. Right? If you guys had these levels marked on your charts, you would have. After the call, you guys probably would have had these volume bounce marked and gotten the sell. So that's what happened on this day. Yesterday, you guys know what's up, what happened yesterday. Yesterday was a good day. And today was a good day as well. So, right, overall, pretty decent week this week. Pretty decent. I know it wasn't one of those weeks where I hit every single day, like, you know, the past, I don't even know how long. Right, but it's all good. It's all good. You guys are in the right hands. We got a new week coming up already. Right, the week already ended. It's already Friday. You know, and I'm up this week. I'm so up this week. I'm literally waiting for a $25,000 payout next week. I'm so excited for that. So excited. 1 minute, 3 more minutes till this red folder news, guys. 3 more minutes. I'm expecting this 1 minute. I'm not even taking more risk on this trade. I'm literally managing the existing trade that I had that I took over here. I'm just taking that existing trade. I'm just gonna hold it. I'm just gonna hold it till this news. Hopefully the news just tanks the market. Right, because my entry's far off, right? I got in at 416. Alright, let me get rid of this. This is played out already. And let me just take a quick peek at NAS real quick, guys. Take a peek at NAS. Look at NAS respecting at 12M open price. I mentioned this as it was happening. Again, like I said, I didn't take the trade because I just took a US 30 trade, right? I just kind of pointed out because I know some of you guys trade NAS with me, and so I'm always gonna point out, you know, what I see on NAS, even though I only took a US 30 trade or something. I kind of pointed out, right? So this is something I pointed out. We watched the recording at 9:30. I pointed out right there, 12 AM open price. And guys, look, now this is a great. Remember, I just said this is gonna be a great learning experience for you guys. Now let me go over that learning experience right now because I said it. Now I said it before it happened. Now they played out and now it happened. Now I'm going to go over it. Why did we sell here? Why did I feel confident on this sell? Literally because of that March 6th volume imbalance. The open week volume. Let me just go over it. What is it? March. Look, let me show you guys. Right. Let me start again. Look. This is the volume bounce I was looking at right here, right? I wanted to sell right here. Kind of punched above. Now I'm going to change the color of this volume bounce right now. Let's make it orange. I'm going to make it orange. I'm going to go on up 4 hours just to show you guys the date. Guys, see this? March 6th. What was that month? What was that week of March 6th? That was the week of the bank collapse. The huge bank collapse that caused this massive sell. It causes panic sell on this day. Guys, remember that? We traded this week. We went over this, right? We marked off this volume bounce and left it on our charts on March 6th. And it was very key because this was the week that caused the insane bank collapse that literally took out so much people out the market. Huge inefficiency. And this inefficiency in price is so important. Look how you just even use this price later on for a buy. You see that? Orange level. Now let's go over to a smaller time. This is what I mean. You can use these old volume bounces for 2, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Doesn't matter. Right, and now look at how damn, look at the news has dropped the market, by the way. We lit. Look, you see this? You see that orange level? See how I just respected it? That's why I stuck with the sell today. I was like, alright, we see the 1 minute gap. The market's going to seek inefficiency in price. The market's going to seek this inefficiency and and overlap that March 6 volume bounce as an inefficiency as well. See, think of a algorithm doing that. A coded algorithm doing this. That's moving the market. That market's going to automatically seek this inefficiency, then automatically seek this inefficiency. Like, alright, algorithms like, alright, this used to be an inefficiency in price. Yo, this trade is hitting right now. Let me see much. Now the hybrid taking money on. Yep. Yo, my boy wants to experience the car. Can never. Yeah. Yep, you can invite him. Look, you see, this was a risk-free trade. I'm still holding this trade, guys. Like, I'm lit right now. Gonna show you guys proof that I'm still holding this trade. Should have doubled down. I should have took another sell here, but you know what? That's part of not taking more risk on a trade. It doesn't matter. You see that? I took that original sell. I even sold it again right here as this was happening. I sold it right there. Look at my entry. You can't beat my entry, guys. Like, I literally got in right there on that volume bounce. Literally what I was talking about. Yo, this is a great learning experience for all you guys on this call. Like, no cap. Using these old volume bounces, I constantly prove this every single week that you guys have to have these old volume bounces marked on your charts. But I'm gonna go over it one more time just so you guys can really complete everyone's learning and understanding. Let's go over it one more time. Look, March 6th volume bounce. Look, this is literally the bank collapse. You see this? Look at it with the naked eye. This is how your charts look, because you probably don't have nothing marked in your charts. Look, this is the volume bounce. The new week started here, right? Look at the bottom, the date. March 3, next candle is March 5th. See that skip in price? Bam, this is what I have marked. And I leave it. When I was trading this week, I left it, and I have the recording on this day too. You guys want to rewatch the recording on this day? We caught this buy. Remember this buy that we caught? I remember this day vividly. We caught this buy at 12 a.m. open price. We caught this one up. See, if you guys actually make money from the markets, you guys will look at these setups and be like, yo, I remember this trade. I caught 100 pips right here. But anyway, right, volume and bounce right over here. I left it on my charts when I was trading on this week. I left it on my charts, and today, I always say this, 2 months from now, 3 months from now, we are going to use this level. If price ever reaches this level again, we are going to use this level as a key level to trade. And this is what happened today. Market, like, look how much the market did. The market moved all the way down here. Look, now that the market moved here, well, oh, I'm gonna disregard this one bounce and delete it off my charts. Don't do that. Don't do that, because if price ever gets back up here, it's gonna happen later on. Like, look, it moved so much. It moved literally 1,800 pips away from that level, but it still ended up. And this was only like what, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, and it came back to the level. Like, it literally came back to the level again. Offered a buy. You see, it's always going to come back to these levels. That's why no matter how much the market moves, just leave it on your charts. It's going to come back to it. But, guys, look, the volatility volume bounce. This is literally what I meant. Why I took that sell right here on yesterday for that 8:15 PPI news, right? Look, this was a volatility volume bounce, right? Volatility caused by insane volatility right here, this volume bounce. Guess what I see right now? I see a volatility volume bounce too. See this volatility volume bounce? It's probably going to play around on this level, scare everybody out by playing around in this level, creating some uncertainty in this level, and then drop. That's what's going to happen, yo. It's going to go in here, get people to sell at the low, push up here, consolidate, then fucking drop. That's kind of what happened. Did it happen on that day? It didn't happen. Like, let me see. Like, you see right here, like, it didn't quite consolidate. It did play around though. Like right now, let's say you would have sold right here in that volatility volume bounce at 11:25. Like, you wouldn't have saw profit till like 45 minutes later. You see what I mean? Like, I always record these kinds of things and pay attention to these kind of things, of how long it actually took for me to even see real profit. Because realistically, I would have gotten right here. Realistically, with spread and everything, I'll just say I got in here. So I wouldn't even see the real profit till like an hour, 20 minutes later. I wouldn't have seen the real profit. That's 117 minutes, an hour 20 minutes. So realistically, I would have saw a nice clean setup, put in a 30 lot. So an hour 20 minutes, I make $3,000. I can't go wrong with that. Can't go wrong with that. Let's see what's going on with US 30 right now. Right, technically I already hit that volume bounce. Right here, like I said, this thing right here could still happen. Get people to trade late. That's why you don't. When you already get a fire setup like up here, you don't want to take on more risk. Like it's better just to manage that existing one and just let it just really milk that market right here. It's the most smart thing to do. Guys, like legit, I literally got this prop from account yesterday. I'm already up 4%. I'm trying out this new prop from